Look at the Pixel Watch and Pixel Watch 2. The design is identical. Although the Google mostly avoided making any changes to the design of this year's model, a new patent may hint at the design change for the Pixel Watch 3. First spotted by the wearable, Google has filed a new smartwatch related patent. It discusses the possibility of having sensors inside the next Pixel Watch that can detect gestures like presses, taps, squeeze, and swipes. The patent is titled Gesture Recognition on Watch Bezel Using Strain Gauges. The sensors would present a new way to use the smartwatch and control certain apps. It appears Google's goal is to simplify the design and prevent users from having to obscure the already limited screen real estate while navigating. Content on such a small screen is obscured when touching the device, making it difficult to precisely select and scroll because the users cannot see what they are selecting or scrolling, the patent says. It also mentioned buttons, bezels, and crowns complicate the manufacturing process and waterproofing. However, if the device were to include gesture recognition controls in the housing, it could result in a cleaner design with fewer moving parts. This would allow the Pixel Watch 3 to remove buttons and other physical inputs from the design.